HIMS stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday. Is HIMS and HERS held stock a buy? I'll be breaking all of it down in this brief, short 1-minute video. Ultimately, with a 12% correction, it was kind of expected for this to happen because pre-market was a very low. And yeah, this is ultimately where we open in this demand zone. It's all good though, it's all good. I'll get into this in a second because the swing one that I called out just years ago, I mean, it was April 2025, like, or March, it was March, I believe. Like, if I pop up here, HIMS, okay, it was like, yeah, it was right here. It was 31st of March, right, when I called it out. And I have like $58 receipts in the Discord as well. This high time frame swing, and it's yet to deliver. We're so close. I'm just looking, like, just because I added like plus 3R doesn't mean that I cannot add even more. So how this would look like for me is I'm only going to be bullish in this market if I start seeing double breaks about $58 and onwards, right? And if I do not see that happening, I'm just simply not going to buy. Very simple. So let me know what is your opinion on HIMS, and if you want to get my free money making emails and insights, the stock picks, so you can stay tuned, click the first link in the description. It's free.